Passive income ideas that will make you $100 per day. Welcome to this video, guys. If this is your first time here, I want to say an absolute welcome. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. Also become a part of the family by subscribing and liking this video, because in this video, I'm going to go over not only just show you, but I'm going to go into details and tell you exactly how you can make passive income with these methods. So you can make at least $100 per day. And if you do these correctly and if you execute them, yes, you can start to generate money consistently. But of course, with passive income, you got to put the work in, you got to put the time in, you got to put everything first before you start to see that passive income start rolling in. So for my regulars, happy to have you here. Welcome back to this great video. Watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm telling you, this is going to be a powerful video, and I'm going to go into details and show you how it works. So passive income ideas, how to make $100 per day. So I'm going to dive into things right away. I'm going to share my screen. So the very first thing is you can start off by writing a book, ebook or a book, and you can publish it on Amazon. Now, let's say you have a great idea of a book and you don't know how to put it together. You probably have this wonderful, wonderful idea, but you just don't know where to go. You can go on a website that's called Fiverr.com, and Fiverr.com, they have like ghost writer. So like this person right here, of course, with ghost writers are going to charge a little bit more money. And if you're going into business, you definitely want to spend a little bit of money just to get it started. Because after a while, I can guarantee you that you're going to make this tenfold, 100, even 1,000 times. Because once the passive income start kicking in and you start making money, that's how you start to generate that passive income. So if you come on here, you'll see that they have people that are charging anywhere from $5 all the way to $100. So you can just, depends on your budget, always look at their ratings. So you want to look at the ratings and see how well, this person is, and see some reviews and everything. And just all you got to do is tell them exactly what is it that you want, and they will do it for you. And if you are already a writer and you want to put it on here where you can publish it, not on here, but you want them to write it for you so you don't have to go over and they can edit everything, and then you could publish it on Amazon. And then that's how you're going to make passive income coming in. Because I do have a friend who wrote a book last year, and she says finally it started to kick in at the time shooting this video, which is February of 2019. So it's going to take a little bit of time before it kicks in, but after a while, that passive income is going to be rolling in. The next way how to make passive income, these are some passive income ideas, and this is a great way. And some of you are going to say, well, how do we do that? Is create a YouTube channel, right? You create a YouTube channel, and this is a website that is absolutely free. It's called TubeBuddy. So where you can search for like keywords and all that type of stuff. Yeah. Most of you guys are saying, well, you need to have 4,000 watch views and need 400 watch views and watch time, I should say. 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So I just wanted to make sure. And it's okay. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get subscribers quickly and where you can actually get your channel up and running. I'm actually building a channel myself right now using this method. So this method, it won't be around for a long time, but I can guarantee you whoever jumps on it first will get the most out of it, because it's only going to take a matter of time before they say, whoa, what's going on here? But you can do this, and you could start to get your YouTube channel up and running. So here's what you're going to do, right? The very first thing you want to do is you want to hop over to Instagram. I already pull up Instagram already. So once you pull up on Instagram, you can type in like, animal videos. And these are a bunch of different animal videos that you can use. So Pick something that you're passionate about. Remember, on Instagram, the videos are 1 minute long. So you want to make a compilation of multiple different videos. Now, wait for it. You can go and you could download these videos from Instagram, and then you're going to upload it. There's a website called shotcut.org. This is where you can go and you can it is absolutely free. You can put all the videos together. So what if you want to do a compilation of videos and you want to make it to at least 10 minutes long, 7 minutes long, 8 minutes long, because you want to have it lengthy. So that way it's enjoyable, it's good, and it's catchy. The next thing you want to do, you want to create a good thumbnail. So again, TubeBuddy is a place you can go on canva.com. Canva.com, you can create a thumbnail. And if you want to get like an eye-catchy one as well, you can even play a video and then you could screenshot a good thumbnail in that video that you want to use to attract people to be clicking on your videos. Once you start to do that, then you could start to share your YouTube links over on Facebook. You can share it anywhere for people to start, watching your videos and all that kind of stuff. But you want to make sure that you do keyword research is very important. Try to do keyword research. Again, using TubeBuddy is a great place you can start. And you can get nice keywords where you can put in your thumbnails, you can get titles, you can get all that type of stuff. And you can start to get momentum so you can get a ton of subscribers, a ton of watch hours, and then that way you can monetize it. And you could start making money from your YouTube channel. All right, so that's the second way. The third way, which is my favorite way, is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is just a great way how you can make passive income. You can make passive income just by affiliate marketing, because if you start to promote a product, and let's say a product is for $30 for the front end costs, and they have to pay a monthly subscription. So think about this like Netflix or a gym membership. That person is consistently going to be paying for that subscription over and over again. And that's how you make passive income. One of the next way you can make passive income as well is by building an email list. And once you have an email list, you can always send email to that email list, because it's going to be a lot of people on there and you can make money over and over again. So these are some networks that you can sign up for. ClickBank, JVZoo, and of course my number one recommendation is a Legendary Marketer. So you can sign up for these, and if you want to sign up for Legendary Marketer, I'm going to leave a link down in the description for you guys to get a 15-day of training to get your feet wet so you can know everything about affiliate marketing. Or if you want to create a business, you want to do coaching, consulting, and all that type of stuff, this is a great place how you can learn. They teach marketing and they go down into details and everything. So check out the link in the description if you want to sign up for Legendary Marketer. All right. So once again, I'm just going to recap. So create a book on Amazon, go over to Fiverr. Once you go to Fiverr, you could create a cover. You can let someone write it for you. You can do it yourself, or whichever way. The second way you can make passive income is create a YouTube channel and use TubeBuddy for where you can get like keywords research and all that type of stuff, how to spy out different channels. And also, just before I head off, you want to make sure you find a channel that is within the same niche as you. So you could just go on there and check out their channel, see what they're doing. And then you could use this editing software. Just edit it, make it cool. You could just slap them together. You don't have to be a pro at everything. You just need to start something and get good at it. Just always remember that. And the third way is definitely affiliate marketing. I hope you enjoy this video. And again, this is passive income ideas, how you can make $100 per day using these ideas. Hope this video helpful. See you on the next one. My name is Andre. Peace.